House Bill 1, 2018. I know you're probably wondering why we're going to a House Bill back in 2018. Well, that's because some of the effects in that House Bill are fixing to take place July the 1st, 2021. The changes that are going to be happening is there's going to be a tax on electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. I know it's not necessarily a criminal or traffic law, but it does go to your tax. So that's one reason why I wanted to do this video. Also, this is a prime example why I started this channel. Hidden inside of House Bill 1, 2018, this is the first line of the House Bill. An act to create the Mississippi Infrastructure Modernization Act of 2018. Yes, it was introduced in 2018. If you'll remember around that time, the big thing that was coming popular was the Tesla's production. It was ramping up. They were producing the Tesla cars, fully electric. Then you had all the other manufacturers that were talking about wanting to introduce an all-electric line also. And a lot of your infrastructure tax money comes from fuel. When you buy your gas or your diesel, the tax is already included in each gallon. So if they're losing money there, they had to find a way to get it. And hidden inside of this bill, they put a tax on electric and hybrid electric vehicles, which in the upcoming weeks, I will do videos on each one of those new laws. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way you'll know when those videos come out so you can watch those. If you have ever planned on buying one, this is just the start. I'm sure they're going to find another way to tax things because the engine oil you have also has a tax. And when you buy engine oil, if you look at the bottom receipt, you have a Mississippi oil tax. So electric vehicles use less oil. I wanted to go ahead and put this video out because of those two new laws going into effect July the 1st of this year, 2021. There is a lot of laws that will be changing and tax changes inside of House Bill 1, 2018. If you want me to do a video on it, let me know. The reason why I want to go ahead and do this video now is because this bill is 1,278 lines long. And I know I saw one date that's up to 2028, I believe. So, yep, here's one right here, July 1st, 2028, which it has constantly changing the law. So this was voted in, first House Bill of 2018. This was voted in, and it's going to change laws all the way up to 2028. This is how a lot of your laws get implemented and interchanged, just because nobody reads the 1,278 lines, and by the time these changes are in effect, somebody else may be in power or in the decision-making process, so they get blamed for the new laws which were enacted years ago. This is a 10-year plan for 2028, and this was implemented in 2018. That is another reason why I wanted to do these videos, is to let people know how these laws are implemented and what they're disguised and hidden under. Electric vehicle and hybrid tax is disguised under an infrastructure act. So remember, subscribe to the channel so you can get the updated videos as they come out. The upcoming laws, I'm going to do those also. And if you want me to go over the complete House Bill 1, please let me know. We'll go over it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.